Big news for Microsoft Outlook users. The March 2026 update is here, and it finally brings some useful improvements that many users have been waiting for. From better search control to shared mailbox upgrades, here is everything you need to know in a simple and quick way. This update is rolling out gradually, so you may not see all the features immediately after updating. After adding major features like offline access and PST file support, Microsoft is now focusing on improving the overall user experience. Let's start with search, one of the most important features in Outlook. Previously, you could only search within the current folder or across all folders. But now, Outlook is introducing more flexible search folder options. This means you can choose specific folders to search in, instead of searching everything. This will make searches faster and more accurate, especially if you have a large inbox or multiple folders. Next is a small but very powerful improvement. Before, if you selected multiple emails and switched to another folder, your selection would be lost. Now, Outlook will remember your selected emails even if you switch folders and come back later. It will also remember your scroll position, so you do not have to scroll again to find your place. This makes managing emails much easier and saves time. Now let's talk about shared mailboxes. With this update, you can access shared mailbox archives directly from the folder list. This makes it easier for teams and businesses to manage shared emails and collaborate more efficiently. Finally, Outlook is improving signature settings. You will now have better control over how signatures work across multiple accounts. This is especially useful for professionals who manage more than one email account. Overall, this update may seem small, but it brings important improvements that make daily tasks faster and easier. Which feature do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech updates.